Good morning students and welcome to the online class of informatics practices. So today in the emerging trend chapter we are going to learn about machine learning and how does it works. What is machine learning? Machine learning is actually an application of artificial intelligence that provides the system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being programmed after initial training using test and training data and algorithm, which means that you can say that in the field of artificial intelligence where the computer is so much efficient and having that ability to independently find out the solution of the problems by recognizing the pattern of the user in the databases. You can take an example of suppose Google ads or maybe any ads which is coming on internet in front of you. Now suppose if you have searched for any particular product online in any online website, now automatically by using the technique and matching your search techniques with the database, you every time you will start getting the messages and notifications related to the item you have searched for. So that is what we called as machine learning. It also enables the computer to recognize the patterns on the basis of some algorithms which are called as models and data sets to develop some solution concepts. Therefore, you can say that machine learning artificial knowledge is generated on the basis of experience. So machine has been made in such a way that with the help of artificial knowledge and those techniques, the learning experience develops on the basis of the experience depending upon the patterns of the user who is searching the things or browsing the things over the internet. Now let us see that how the machine learning works, how the ML works. It just works in the similar way of human learning. You can take an example. Suppose if a child is shown the images with some specific objects on them. So it is easy to learn and identify and differentiate between the objects what is being seen on the screen, right? Machine learning also works in the same way. So by some specific input of data, by some specific algorithms or commands which needs to be written in machine learning, which helps the computer, which you can say enables the computer to be trained and learn to identify the pattern of the user. Now suppose I have given you the example of search techniques of the user. So to identify those search technique and match those with the database, computers are being trained by the help of some specific algorithms and certain commands so that they are easy to identify your pattern and distinguish between them. Now with the repeated training and feedback, the computer system learns and evolves to make predictions also, and then they will be able to give suggestion to you that how you should enable your search. For example, you're writing any sentence in Google, so Google gives you many example or give you many suggestion to search those information, right? So that is all we called as machine learning. Whenever machine learning is enabled, whenever we are working on machine learning, so a special program, algorithm and command is written to control the computer, which checks the pattern of the user, matches with the database and shows the result. Common applications of machine learning can be the political campaigns, or you can say the facial recognition, the surveillance system, the Google ads, which gives you ad or depending upon the search which you have done in the last few days, filtering the different data and information, self-driving vehicles. So these are some common applications which has been developed with the you can say efficient use of machine learning. Without machine learning, it won't be possible to develop such applications. The machine learning applications are well designed to learn from the experience like humans without the direct programming. So whenever it is exposed to new data, these applications learn, grow and update themselves and develop by themselves. So changes are made by themselves because they learn from the experience, or you can say in other words that computers may find the information without telling that where they need to look to get the information. Learning has also, you can say, found many applications in the areas of our lives, such as face recognition techniques, online commands, personal assistants like Alexa, Google Assistants, or Siri, or online chat box, virtual chat assistants, and many more are there. So this is all about machine learning, where the different with the help of the user pattern, by recognizing the user pattern, some algorithms and commands are written to control the applications, and then it works for you. Now let us look into one more important term, which is NLP, natural language processing. Basically, it is the artificial intelligence technology which helps the computer to understand, interpret, and manipulate the human language. And you can say, or you can say that it manipulates the human language and even potentially generate human language. A few example of NLP that you use every day directly or indirectly through computer. So students, you must have seen the spell check feature in Microsoft Word or OpenOffice Writer, that how automatically the spell check feature, when you switch it on, it checks all your document and suggests you with the correct spelling. Or you can say that automatic spam filter of your mail, or there can be autocorrect feature, and many more are there, like Google Assistant, Alexa, which answers or which works according to your requirement and suggestions. So these are the few examples of natural language processing, where the human language is updated and manipulated, and it again generate the human language and works accordingly, depending upon the suggestions or advice, or the, you can say, instruction given by the user or human being. Some more example of NLP can be the machine translation, where the Google helps you to translate your language, like you can translate English to Hindi or Hindi to English, or any other translation can be easily done with the help of Google Translator. So basically, if a particular, you can say, a computer system is able to identify the particular word or a phrase or the response which is given by the clues given by you, so it is same as we human do whenever we find any clues, so we also work in the same way. So this is all about machine learning techniques and the NLP, natural language processing technique. Go through the video very properly. If you have not understood any of the term, then message me. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much.